Good morning, my little YouTubers. Okie dokie, it's 6 in the morning. I didn't do a video yesterday, just couldn't do it. This is a custom order. Yeah, I know it's another Finnish coin, but I live in Finland. I'm doing a Finnish Christmas market, so you've got to do what you're sold. This is a 1977 one markka coin. And the lady wants this for her boyfriend. And she doesn't know his ring size, so she wants me to make a heart. So that's what we're going to do. How's everybody doing today? Good? No, wrong one. There you go. Let's go to Bertha. Oh, God. I got up about 10 minutes ago. This is crazy, man. This is just unbelievable doing this. I won't be doing it next year, that's for sure. There's a limit. Right. And don't forget, I'll be doing a draw from last, was it Sunday's video? I'll be doing a draw this Sunday. So who's going to get the freebie coin? So there's hardly any comments. So you know, you always stand a bloody good chance of getting something. Right, there's glass everywhere. This is Christy Burr, my faithful little deburring tool. It's -5.8 this morning. I'm actually going to wear a hat for the first time this year. Now the old beanies. I still don't wear gloves. I don't like gloves. I use pockets. I have pocket gloves. Right, let's show this. Where is Bernie? There he is. He's behind me. Right, let's show this baby a bit of warmth. If you've recently subscribed, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Right, obviously she's going to want the date on the outside of the heart. That goes face down. This looks good enough. Alright, let's go. It's a big red. Big bad red. And now we'll go over to the one and only Spike. Oh, it's a clean bit of kitchen roll. No expense spared, guys and girls. And spike stretches the coin ring. So to make a heart, I have to get this to a size 9. Now I put it in my little jig. Size 9? No, this is nowhere near a size 9 here, but hey, let's check it out. You can't see Jack on my magic American wand. That's not far off a size 9. So I'll take this to a 10. A bit more. A 10 or over, it doesn't really matter. There you go. Right, now we want to straighten up them walls. Have we got anything on the inside? Not much. Yeah, now we go to the bottom end of the spike. And I like to start it with my 17-degree folding die. Focus. What size are we looking at now? That is the size. Hoochie coochie coo, baby. There you go. That is a little bit slightly larger than a size 9. How's it looking straight wise? Not too bad, but we need a bit more. Okay. There's a little tiny bit in there. Not much. I should take it down to, I'll take it up to a size 9. I'm just cutting that little bit of a lip away. Looking for any custom orders? I'll happily make you a coin ring. You can send me your own coins and check out my web shop, yourfingermyring.com. I need a cup of tea urgently. Yeah. How's that looking? Yeah, that's a size 9. Yeah. Right, let's show it some love. Is Dave plugged in? Come on, Dave, please be plugged in. Yes. This is Kate Bush's twin. And I'm going to leave this the Edwin look. Because it's for a bloke, and I doubt if he wants a big shiny thing hanging around his neck, so. But I will clear coat it. Like I said, the clear coat doesn't last forever. It all depends how you wear the ring, or, you know. But if you do get any problems with it, you can always give it a touch it up with a bit of clear nail varnish. It's all practically the same stuff, really, but a lot cheaper. There you go, folks. One size 9. So now we have to get my little jig. Where is it? Bloody hell! It's on the shelf, right in front of me. Hey, that's a first, isn't it? So that sits in there like so. And then we can go over to Big Red. Come on, Santa, move your ass. So size 9 is the best size for this jig. There you go, folks. And I'll put a stainless steel jump ring and an adjustable cord. And love is in the air. What do you reckon? What do you reckon, folks? So thanks for watching. Sorry about missing a couple of videos, but I'm getting too old for this game. I tell you what, I'm doing more now than when I was doing 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, building bloody cruise ships. At least after work, you know, you could go down the pub and have a few beers. But I'm not moaning. I do enjoy doing this. So, and my head's still thick. I don't feel like I've got a cold, but I'm talking like a bit of a weirdo. So, folks, have a great day. And I'll catch you on the next one. It might not be tomorrow, but there will be one soon. Oh, definitely Sunday, because I've got to do that draw. So have a good one. Be safe. Love you all. Bye-bye.